Hello there, let's talk today about the Amazon Basics light bulb reset. As you can see, I have mine working here, and here's the cell phone, so I can control remotely, just pressing here, right? And let's say I want to reset for some reason. I just need to use here the power to cut the power on and off. You're gonna do this 5 times. Let's just first remove the light from here. Let me just delete it so you can see that I can edit it again. Okay, so when I remove it, it's, you see, no longer working, and it's in that state right now. That's the state that you want to have when you reset it, right? So let me just reset. Let's say it's not working for you, you want to reset it, because when you reset it, it comes to this pop-up message here to add the light again. But let's say yours is not reset. What you can do here is just do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one is the one that gets the lamp or this light in this state, right? So now it's ready to go, and then you're gonna see this pop-up message. Then you can continue and set up your light bulb, right? Then you just click here, allow, next. You get your QR code that comes with your light bulb. Then you need to scan it. Here we go. You just look for the light bulb and you wait for it to continue the setup. So pretty easy, right? Just remember you need to turn off and turn on 5 times there. The 6th one is the one that will allow you to add the light bulb again. So it's connecting right now. Takes a while and asks you for the username and password. Not username, but the signal here for your Wi-Fi, and then the password. Let me input mine here. So here you go. I have the password. Click here, done. Next again. And now it's connecting. And there you go. I have the message here from Alexa saying that's connected and you're ready to go. Just click here, next. And then you can select where is your light located. Let's say, for example, office. Click add to the group. And I'm done here. Just continue. Done again. And here I can see my lights. First light, for example, here. Then I can control it again. Okay, power off, power on, control brightness and everything else, color. Let's just change here to red, for example. And now it's working. Okay, so that's how you can reset your Amazon Basics light bulb. I hope this helps. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.